Experiencing the buzz of beekeeping.
But it's like slightly less super sweet.
About 20 educators from across the district are at the Coastal Discovery Museum today, learning about the importance of bees in our environment. A local beekeeper who has 75 hives spread throughout the island, including some at the museum, talked to the teachers about honeybees.
I hope that they share with their students that honeybees are, number one, important to our environment and important to our food supply, and that they're not our enemy because they sting us, but they're in fact a very beneficent part of the animal kingdom that is critical to human health and environmental health.
The teachers also made beehive candles, bee wax lip gloss, and tasted several different types of honey.
It's like the equivalent of French roast coffee or something.
They definitely had different colors, which was interesting, but I mean, some of them, it's just different how you can really tell a distinct difference in taste from where just the plants that were around the bees.
The teachers can't wait to share what they've learned with their students.
I learned a lot about how bees affect the food we eat, and I think that's a lot of uncommon knowledge, so I would love to take that back to my kids and teach them about that.
Teachers also had the opportunity to tour the grounds and see the educational benefits of bringing their students to the Coastal Discovery Museum.
It's a beautiful spot. I've been out here before, and I got my camera, so I'm gonna make sure I can take a lot of good pictures and see if it's a good spot for me to be able to bring my kids out here so we can make some cool art from getting to see all the cool grounds.
The Lowcountry Nature and History Workshop is part of Summer Institute. The 3-day teacher and staff workshop is taking place at Bluffton High School. More than 1,000 educators are taking classes, preparing for the upcoming school year. On Hilton Head Island, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.